Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Amalia aho, ki Zealandia te mara atānei he mahi ana. Hi, I'm Amalia and I work here at Zealandia in the Sales and Services team. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I got here, what my role entails and some tips for you if you're interested in this area of work. So my role here at Zealandia as a Sales and Services team member involves being right at the front desk helping customers. So I help people with their admission tickets, memberships, tours and through the gift shop. During my day as a Sales and Services team member, I do my best to get people excited about nature and help them connect with it. This involves selling their admission tickets, tours, setting people up with membership, helping restock the gift shop and doing any other little tasks that may help with it. My pathway to working here at Zealandia was quite a zigzag. So I didn't just start off knowing exactly what I wanted to do, which I think is pretty normal out there. So when I left school, I did go to university first off, but I was studying media and communications only for a year before I realised that wasn't for me. I did move to do another course at another university for a few years before I realised that still didn't quite fit with me. So from there I went and worked for a little bit and I gained some really good experience working with people. And I met lots of great people on the way as well. Then I did a little bit of travel, and while I was over there I realised that I was really interested in nature and conservation and I did want to pursue it. So I came back to study at Victoria University to do a bachelor's in biology. So I did ecology and environmental studies, and from there I started out just casual at Zealandia helping out. I did some work in the education team before moving to the front desk. One thing I really enjoy about working with Zealandia is getting to connect with a lot of different people. So it's great to see people of all ages coming through and to get them excited about nature. It's great to see when they come back through, they show us lots of pictures of some of the wildlife they see. We can help them spot it and get really involved. So I feel like I'm helping contribute even if I'm not out in the valley. One of the challenging things about working at the front desk here at Zealandia can be the really busy summer months. So it is great to see everybody coming through, but sometimes it can be a little difficult to manage a lot of different people wanting to visit the sanctuary and wanting to do a lot of different things at once. So it takes a lot of work and a lot of patience to make sure you're calm and friendly at all times and you're helping people as best you can. My advice for someone interested in working in a role like mine is just to get out there and try to seize some opportunities, in volunteering or otherwise. Even if it's not directly related to what you think you want to do, all experience gives you really good skills, gives you great confidence and helps you work in a team, and these will be great for any area that you decide to go in. It's also okay to take a little bit of time to have a think about it and to try new things. You don't have to pick something straight away, you've got a lot of time to move around and see what you like to do. Thank you for watching me here today. Hopefully you grabbed some great tips. If you're wanting to learn a little bit more, we do have a careers resource available on our website. Ka kite anō.